Okay guys, cousins, hey, it's me again. I'm back and they have delivered my T100. So, my grass, I gotta cut it, look at it. It don't look so good because I haven't cut it since last week. I was waiting for this. I decided to go in to purchase it, so now I have it. So today, I'm gonna cut the grass and see what happens, if it's good or not. And I'll catch you later to show you the aftermath of cutting with this, if it's good, if it's wide enough for me, if it's too small. Well, it's a T100, so it's good. Right now, it's good. As far as I'm concerned, I don't have to push anymore. All right, cousins, I catch you. In my mouth. Anyway, remember I haven't weed whacked yet, so this is the way it looked afterwards. Have to weed whack everything, but all the way down to the line, I cut that all the way in the back here. So next I'm gonna go inside to the backyard and cut that. I know it's not like a professional, but it looked decent. I think at least it looked decent to me, so it won't. So the neighborhood won't be after me if I cut my grass, how it look. Hopefully they approve as well. All right, catch you. Okay, cousins, it's me again one last time here. This the back. I just finished. I haven't weed whacked yet. Okay, I just finished though. So I got to weed whack the front, both sides, and weed whack this back. Okay. So how you think it look? You remember how I used to look when I first moved in? All these big holes in the grass and lumps. Well, look at it now. With the treatments, it's coming in. It's getting thicker, it's getting greener. Now the holes are a whole lot smaller. It's gonna keep getting better each and every year that we take care of it. Yeah. That's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about. Oh well, what'd you say, guys, cousins? Am I doing all right with this grass? Do I need to do something else? I think I need to do a little bit of something else to make it, well, it needs water for number one. That's why it's kind of brown. It hasn't rained here in a little while. It's real hot. It's 90 degrees today. It's been pretty hot. So All right, cousins, this is it for this video. Let me know what you're thinking. Subscribe to the channel. Hit the notification bell. Hey, and go to our other channels, Lacey's Love Life. Also, Queen Planet LLC TV, where you see us with our first episode of Pop the Balloon. We are now trying to cast. We're now casting, not trying. We're not casting for our second episode. We need men. Cousins, we need men. We need men. We got plenty of women just looking for love. Ohio Christian Edition. We're a Christian channel for Christians, trying to help Christians men and Christian women find each other, hook up in a Christian way. That's what we're looking for. Okay, if you're not Christians, okay, hey, no, that's not the channel for you. You know, but yeah, so check us out, Queen Planet LLC TV for Pop the Balloon. Ohio Christian is this, and our first episode has dropped already the last couple 2 or 3 weeks, and we're doing well with the views as well. And Lacey Love Life, check that out. It's mostly cruising and hotel tours, cruising tours, excursions. That's what it's about. And then this one is basically my channel with me doing a lot of like lifting weights and crazy stuff, having people fix things and stuff like that. So that's probably why I'm not getting that many views. But anyway, I love this. All right, I catch you on the rebound next time and see what else we got for you. Later.